In PTC Mathcad Prime, you can copy and paste your math and text regions into a Microsoft Word document, and it's a very straightforward process. Here I am on a worksheet. I am going to swipe a box over a bunch of math and text regions, and then you'll notice that in the ribbon we have the copy command available. It is the same keyboard shortcut, Control C. I will use the keyboard shortcut, Control C. And now I've copied all of that information to my clipboard. Now let's jump over to Microsoft Word. Now I've got my Word document up. I'm going to go to the Home tab, and for what I'm showing you, I'm going to turn on the paragraph marks, and I'm just going to position my cursor over here. And now to paste it, well, you can use the paste command, and you can choose whether you want to paste with the source formatting or merge the formatting. I'm going to keep the source formatting. Alternatively, rather than using the commands, of course, you can just use Control V. And now you can see that we have our math and text regions copied over. What I find really neat is that it will even copy over complex constructions like a solve block. And you can see what we have in here. I'm going to turn off the paragraph marks. Actually, let me leave them on for a second. I do want to show you that it sort of just pastes the math and text regions where they are if you have less than a full page of math and text regions. You'll notice that we still have the page break mark over here being depicted. So let me jump down in my Word document. I'm going to go to a point where I have text before and text after. Now I'm going to show you what happens when I do more than a full sheet of math and text regions. All right, so in Mathcad, I'm going to switch to another worksheet, and you can see that this is more than a single page worth. Let me use Control A and then Control C to copy all of this worksheet into my clipboard. Now let's jump over to Microsoft Word. And I'm positioned here. When I paste this time using Control V, what happens is, let's scroll up. We had more than a page worth of information, so it automatically put in a page break. Then at the start of the next page, it pasted in all the different math and text regions from my Mathcad worksheet. It automatically put in a page break within the copied information. And then if I scroll down at the end of the Mathcad worksheet, it just goes right into the rest of the information. So that's how you can copy and paste from Mathcad into Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindshield.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.